poppin' everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Danny, also known as Street by Danny. And for today's video guys, we will be going to the opening of ABC Mart Grand Stage. So bali guys, dalawang ABC Mart mag-open dito sa Philippines and this is their first store here. So the first one is yung ABC Mart mismo, the one with the yellow and red logo. Tapos the other one guys is yung ABC Mart Grand Stage. So if you guys want to know kung ano yung difference nung dalawa, tanungin natin si ChatGPT. Hi, what's the difference of ABC Mart and ABC Mart Grand Stage?
Sure. ABC Mart is generally known as a large footwear retailer that offers a wide range of brands and styles, from casual sneakers to sports shoes. On the other hand, ABC Mart Grand Stage is more of a premium or flagship concept store. It usually features more curated selection, exclusive models, and a more upscale shopping experience. It's like the elevated version of the regular ABC Mart.
Thank you so much. So anyways guys, yun yung difference nung ABC Mart and yung Grand Stage. So mamaya yung pupuntahan natin is the Grand Stage. So doon guys, ang makikita mo doon ng mga sneakers are more on yung mga exclusive na collaborations, yung mga silhouettes that you don't usually see. So excited ako makita kung ano mga sneaker selection na nandun. So anyway, itong ABC Mart guys, sikat talaga sila sa Japan and I'm sure some of you guys na mga nag-travel sa Japan, nakikita nyo na yung ABC Mart. So exciting lang siya na nandito na siya sa Philippines and hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng Japan to check it out. And kakasabi ko lang nga kay It's Sold Good kay Lawrence na ang dami ng sneaker retail shops dito sa Manila. Sobrang accessible na siya for sneakerheads and I think it's a good thing. May market talaga sila dito sa Manila or sa Philippines in general. So ayun, I think that's it. I'll get ready na rin for the event and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Hey guys, I'm getting ready na and our sneaker for today is the Puma H Street. So recently lang nila to ni-release guys. I think 2 months ago. I'm not sure. Tapos ang daming colorways na nilabas nito guys. So ito yung ating sneaker for the day. So yun lang, mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo yung buong fit. Hi guys, I'm all dressed and ready to go. And pakita ko lang yung aking fit before I go kasi baka mamaya busy na. I'm just wearing this long sleeve top. I don't know anong brand to, I forgot. Tapos ito, nakuha ko to guys sa SM Woman Plus. Tapos yung pants ko guys, I got this from Forever 21. And then the shoes, yung pinakita ko kanina. And this is the fit. And yung bag ko nga pala, pakita ko sa inyo bag ko. This is the Christy Ang na bag. Yun ang pop of color ko for today for this outfit. So mga nagtatanong sa Sunnies ito guys. So the style of this is the Atticus Dark Torque. Kung interested kayo guys. So I think that's it. Punta na ako guys sa ABC Mart and I'll see you there. So nasa ABC Mart na tayo. 2 floors siya. So ang laki niya. Hindi pa ako nakapasok kasi ini-enjoy ko yung mga activities dito sa labas. Pero mamaya papasok tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga sneakers sa loob. Sit back, relax, and let's go.
Hi to the world. So welcome to ABC Mart.
Ano favorite mo sa Puma Wall ngayon?
Ito yung pinaka-gusto ko.
Rosé.
Yeah. Kasi ngayon ko lang siya nakita. And honestly, ang ganda niya in person. So sa mga women's dyan na idol si Rosé, meron dito yan.
Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga sapatos na nandito from Puma. First off, we have this Puma Ballet X Rosé. Okay. Kasama pala to sa Rosé collection. So, ano siya guys? Suede ang material. Tapos marami siyang colorway. There's also this metallic one, but this one is not part of the Rosé collection. Nice rin siya. Ang price nga pala guys is 5,500 pesos. Tapos yung sa Rosé naman, 7,100 siya. And of course, we also have the Speed Cats. We have here the black and the white colorway of the Puma Speed Cat Rosé. So, available siya dito sa ABC Mart, guys. And let's not forget, there's also a red one sa mga mahilig sa red sneakers. Sa mga hindi pa nakakuha ng Speedcat. Meron na dito sa ABC Mart. The black one, the red one, the black pink one, and then another pink. Tapos merong blue. Parang navy blue siya. This one actually ngayon ko lang nakita to. Speedcat Go Women's. Parang siyang ballet tsaka Speedcat na inisa. I think this is the parang Mary Jane na Mostro. It's really, really nice. 7,300 pesos siya. And then there's another color. Actually, I like this color. We also have the Squid Game collaboration. And actually, ito ang feeling ko meron dito pero wala sa ibang stores. It is this one, guys. So this is the Puma Loafer in Alpine Snow colorway. It also has a black colorway, which is really, really nice as well. This is 6,000 pesos. Not bad, guys. I think this one is also a Squid Game collaboration. Ito yung Puma Palermo. I actually like this colorway than the first one na pinakita ko. 7,500 pesos. If you guys want to check it out in person, much better, guys. Puntahan nyo na lang yung ABC Mart Grand Stage dito sa BGC. They also have mga Puma jerseys here. So cute. Ang ganda nitong colorway na to. And then, they also have mga joggers. Ay, yung tracksuit. Yung mga matching tracksuit for my shoesters. So, cropped siya, guys. This is the Puma section. And if you go over here, we have the other brands na rin. So, ang daming brands dito. Lahat na ng brands nandito, guys.
ABC Mart store opening in the Philippines. Put your hands together for the 6th time. ABC Mart Grand Stage concept includes new technologies and a dedicated wellness corner. With sneaker support. Philippines. Quite posted today. Do not forget to
Yan! Alam ka na, alam ka na. Kaya nga, kaya Hi guys! So kasama ko na si It's So Good! Anong plano mong bilhin na sapatos, Lauren?
Alam mo yung dating pinalagpas ko,
Ano yun?
yung Puma Mostro. Kasi bagay sa akin eh. Pero pag may nakita akong iba, tingnan
Baka,
natin.
malay mo.
Kasi di ba minsan mabilis mabudol.
May nakita ako doon na magugustuhan mo.
Oh, sige, sige. SBB or Dano?
Oo nga, no? Pwede. Yung blue para cute. Yan. Tapos kukuha ko ng dalawa pa in bit.
Yun yung crossover ang chrome hearts.
Pwede.
Yan.
Gumagawa kami ng mga charms, guys. So, bibili kami dito, guys, ng Japanese na snacks. Ano kaya kunin ko na snack, guys? Wala tayong ganito sa atin, eh. Chocolate coconut, milky. Parang sulit to. Thank you. Nagkuha ko ng
Pocky pala,
snack.
Pocky.
Sabi mo?
Pocky. Pocky sabi.
Thank you. What sneaker are you copying today?
I'm copying this Salomon. I'm not sure what model this is though. What? You know?
Yeah.
It's my first Salomon pair actually.
That's a really nice pair.
It fits so well, like very structured.
Yeah.
Because I tried another pair. You wanna check?
Katingin?
This one.
Ah, okay.
Parang it's more loose. It gives less shape.
Okay. Yeah.
So I like this more kasi mas structured siya sa paa. Mas
Correct.
I think this also reflects, no? No kaya? I think no.
And yung mga running sneakers ng A6. Oh, this is so cute, guys. So, look at this one. Maganda yung colorway niya. A6 Trail Scout 3. 4,190 lang. Wow! So, ito, guys, ang mga running Nike shoes. Grabe. Ang daming choices dito, guys. No-overwhelm ako. Feeling ko, guys, ito ang running section. No, bro? Ito yata ang running section ng ABC Mart.
Ang ganda ng mga running shoes nila. As in, yung mga hindi mo naaabutan sa tindahan.
Talaga?
Yung mga pasabay-pasabay, meron na dito.
Wow! Ayan, guys. Narinig nyo na. Galing kay It's So Good. So, ayan, guys. Ito yung New Balance Rebel. 9,295 lang, guys. So, if you guys are interested, meron dito.
favorite sneaker mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Ang daming colorway na dito lang meron. This one, first time ko nakita. 8.5 pala. Meron ako nito yung color red and white. Sobrang comfortable. Pero ito ang ganda lang. Kasi yung sakit nito pag white yung midsole, parang mabilis siya madumihan. Pero maganda ginawa nila black. Ganda. Na-overwhelm ako.
Nandito na tayo sa Vans area. They have the super low pro here, the red one, and the black colorway. Meron na rin sila dito guys, yung engineered knit. Available na siya dito guys, 7,998. This new school guys is really cute, 5,998 din siya. Sorry, I forgot to say the price of the super low pro, 5,498 siya guys. Ganda rin ang mga selection ng Vans dito.
Alam mo, maganda dito yung mga Japanese brands since Japanese retailer sila. First time ko nakakita ng ganyang ASICS, oh. Diba?
Oo nga, no?
Feeling ko yung mga exclusive nila, syempre Japan retailer siya.
Oh my God!
Diba, collab to?
They have here yung collaboration na pair. Pero actually, mas gusto ko yung isang colorway. Pero maganda na rin pala to.
Sure ka? Ano to? Collab to?
Yes.
Bakit parang walang brand?
Hindi, yan yun. Cecily Bansen na collaboration, guys. Nandito, naka-sits. Ang ganda pala ng mga ASICS selection dito. May mga collaboration sila. Nagulat kami ni Lawrence. Sorry nga pala, guys, if I'm shouting. Ibababa ako na lang yung audio. Kasi medyo maingay yung music. Look at that! Grabe! Ito mukhang hidden collab sa mga naghahanap ng Kayano. Maraming colorways dito. This yellow one is nice. Hours na yata ako dito sa ABC Mart. Yung kasama namin hindi pa tapos. Waiting lang kami dito. Hi guys! So nasa kotse kami ni It's All Good at nagre-recharge kami at the same time nilalagay namin yung mga bit-bit namin kasi babalik kami sa ABC Mart. Mas konting tao na ngayon, so mas mapapakita namin sa inyo yung mga shoes. So babalik kami doon para sa inyo at para makita nyo kung ano yung mga meron doon guys. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a while. Hi guys! So, nasa ABC Mart ulit kami. But, maingay pa rin. I will try my best to show you guys the sneakers that they have here. So, actually, excited ako ipakita sa inyo mga Nike guys. Gaganda ng mga Nike. Ganda ng hat guys, oh. So, they have the Air Max DN8. Cute ng color na to. 10,895 siya guys. And then, they have the Air Max Muse. 8,395 pesos naman. My favorite Air Superflies. They have iba't ibang colors guys. Ang cute. And they also have a triple black one. This is 5,795 pesos. And then look at this guys. Ang ganda ng shocks na to. Oh, all red siya. This is 9,695 pesos. And sa mga fans ng Total 90, ayan, they have this colorway here. So it's something different from the others na nag-release na dito. And there's another color. Ito naman. Ganda rin. This is so cute. I think this is a Cortez. Tapos, meron siya yung flap. Ang alam ko guys, matatanggal nyo yung flap na yan. This is 5,795 pesos. Ang ganda rin ng color colorway, something different. 6,745 pesos. Itong Calm Slides, guys, na Realtree. Actually, nabubudol ako dyan. Pero tingnan natin, guys. And of course, guys, they have Jordans here as well. Mga Jordan 1s. Ito yung mga colorway. And they have the Jordan 2s as well. Ayan, dami rin dito, guys. And then, pakita ko lang sa inyo, nandito na rin yung Realtree apparel collection ng Jordan. Ang ganda nung beanie. This is the first floor, guys, of ABC Mart. There's also a kids section as well. And then, may mga socks rin sila na ang brand is ABC Mart. 600 pesos, guys. So, meron sila mga insoles dito. Tsaka mga canvas sneakers cleaner. And also, shoe dryers. So, only 350 pesos, guys. 600 naman for the insoles. There's also hats as well. Tsaka mga Nike socks. Ito ang favorite ko na Nike socks, guys. Yung mid. 845 pesos. So, I think that's it, guys. Naikot ko na rin ang first floor for you guys. And later, guys, gagawin ko yung outro ko. And papakita ko na rin sa inyo kung anong nakuha ko dito sa ABC Mart Grand Stage. See you guys later. Bye!
And we are now back home. Time check, 11:57 p.m. So, late na ako nakauwi, guys. And before I end this video, of course, we will end it with a haul. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha ko kanina sa ABC Mart Grand Stage. If you guys are wondering pala kung saan yung store, nasa BGC siya. Kung alam niyo yung parang sikat na parang may mga screens, malapit siya doon. Kung alam niyo kung saan yung Gentle Monster na store, ayun, parang across lang siya. So, makikita nyo naman doon, guys, kasi marami naman silang mga sign ng ABC Mart. So, let's start the haul. Before you enter the store, guys, meron doon booths yung mga iba't ibang brands. So, dumaan tayo doon at syempre in-enjoy rin natin yung mga activities kung ano meron sa kanila. So, ayan, we got this from Vans. And cute, guys, kasi meron na siyang ABC Mart na branding dito sa bag. So, ito yung binigay ng Vans. Ang ganda nung tote bag, guys. And then, may game doon kanina, guys. I forgot anong parang Jackstone siya na game. Tapos, natalo ako. So, ito yung consolation prize. Tawag nga tawag dito? Pop socket. Yung pwede mo ilagay sa likod ng phone, tas mahawak mo siya ng ganito. So, ayan, may branding siya ng ABC Mart. So, nakuha natin yan. Meron dun, ano guys, boot ng A6. Tas ang sa kanila naman, pwede kang mag-personalize ng, alam mo yung shoe charm? Pwede rin naman siyang bracelet. Papakita ko sana sa inyo, pero hindi pa siya nakabuo. Parang binigyan lang sa amin yung mga chain, and then yung mga charms na pipili namin. So, ang pinili ko, guys, SBD. Ayan, ito yung B. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo lahat, guys. But, if mabuo ko siya, follow nyo ako sa IG. Ipopost ko siya dun. May nakuha rin tayong mga Japanese snacks, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, ito, guys. Ay! Meron pa pala akong isa pang pop socket na ABC Mart din. Cute! So, ayan, nakakuha tayo ng mga Japanese snacks. Excited na ako i-try ito. Parang pumunta ng Japan, guys. Ganun ang feeling ko pagpunta ko sa grand opening ng Grand Stage. Tapos meron yung tayong keychain. And ayan, may notebook din. Ang ganda nung graphic. So, ito yung bag na binigay nila. Cool! Ang dami niyang mga ano pala, little details of Japan. And may yin-yang pa dito. Woo! Akala ko may surprise. Wala pala, guys. Tag lang siya. Alright? Tapos meron dun boot ang Puma, guys. May photo boot siya. Tapos nakailang picture yata ako dun eh. So, ito yung mga photos. Ayan yung kami ni It's So Good. Kami ni Ina and ni Kate. Bloopers itong isang picture namin ni Kate eh. Ayan o. Bloopers. Okay, next up. Ay! Ito pala, guys, hindi ko napakita sa inyo. So, ang Nike naman, meron silang boot doon. Pwede kang magpagawa ng personalized dog tag. Pero sa akin, guys, pinili ko itong circle na pendant. Pwede mo ilagay yung name mo sa likod. You guys see it? Ayan, may Danny. So, ang cute, guys. Ayan, oh. Actually, suotin ko nga. Ayan, guys, suot ko na siya. Thank you, Nike. Ito na, guys. Ito na ang sneaker na nakuha ko sa ABC Mart Grand Stage. So, this is the paper bag, guys. Alright. So, we got a sneaker from Puma. So, what I got, guys, is the... Ay, naka-wrap pala siya, guys. Wait. We got the Puma Speedcat Go. And actually, I went with this one because I like the colorway. Ang name ng colorway niya is Chocolate Alpine Snow. O, diba? Ang sarap pakinggan ng name niya. I was gonna go with yung loafers. Pero naisip ko, marami na rin kasi ang loafers sa rotation ko. So, sabi ko, why not go with something different? Which is this one. And ang sabi sa akin, guys, this colorway is only available sa ABC Mart Grand Stage. So, kung trip nyo rin ito, this is 7,100 if I'm not mistaken, guys. So, ito siya ang nakuha ko sa Grand Stage. So, I think that's it, guys. Ang aking feedback sa ABC Mart Grand Stage is ang ganda ng selections nga ng kanilang sneakers. There were a lot of pairs na I don't usually see sa ibang retail stores. And nagulat rin ako na meron sila yung Cecily Bansen na A6 na collaboration. I wanted kasi the other colorway. If they had it, I'm sure mabubudol ako dun. So, I'm so happy that ABC Mart is here na in the Philippines and accessible na siya for us. Hindi na natin kailangang pumunta ng Japan. I hope you guys can visit their store sa BGC and yung ABC Mart will be opening na rin soon. I hope to see you guys there as well. And if you want to follow them on socials, I will place their socials here. So, if may mga exclusive drops sila or releases, updated kayo. And speaking of socials, I hope you guys can follow me as well at Street by Danny on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And if you guys can subscribe here on my YouTube as well, it would help me a lot. So thank you so much, guys. Nag-enjoy ako sa pagtutour ko sa inyo sa ABC Mart Grand Stage. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Danny out!